Theorem 3 says that vertically opposite angles are equal. And this theorem is a very special theorem because, in two ways. The first way in which it is special is that our short version of this theorem literally codes the whole of the theorem. Because we're saying here vertically opposite angles are equal, which is exactly the whole statement here to say vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means this theorem doesn't actually write the A part or the given part as a short version for this theorem. The second way in which we can see how special this theorem is through looking at the diagrams. So if we look at our diagrams, we have two lines, let's say here, and they have a point O here. And because these two lines will then make edges here, the vertices here, it then means we'll create angles, and we have labeled those angles 1, 2, 4. Now obviously this would be angle O1, angle O2, and so on until the fourth angle. So that's what we are given. We are actually given angles that are vertically opposite. Now, if this is the situation, we can then conclude, we can say here that the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, if you look at angle O2 and angle O4, they are angles that are vertical to each other and they are opposite to each other. Remember, opposite is something that is in front of you. If you look at 2 is actually in front of 4, or you can say 4 is in front of 2, whatever way you want to put it. Now, that's why those two angles, angle O2 and angle O4, are equal. However, when you look at angle 1 and 3, they are actually opposite to each other. Angle 1 is opposite to angle 3 because they are in front of each other as well. But they are horizontal, this angle. These two angles, they are actually horizontal to each other. However, we don't call them horizontally opposite angles. We still call them vertically opposite angles. That's why I say this theorem is special. It is special in that the angles that are sitting like this, we still call them vertically opposite. Now, this is equally true if I were to still have, let's say, angles that are sitting like this. Do you see that these two angles here, they are opposite to each other? We still call them vertically opposite, even though they are diagonally opposite. So any angles that are opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. So this means also here, angle O1 and angle O3 are equal. That is our conclusion. Let us practice some questions so that we look at how to use theorem 1 to theorem 3.